Jesus. Fuck. What you doing over here, Fel? What you doing over in this, area?
Hiding.
Hiding? You need to be finding keys.
We already found a hammer. You haven't done jack shit.
Okay, look, I am a defenseless, young lady, and you're supposed to be the one defending me.
I've got my hammer, so I can bash your boyfriend's head in and take his...
But, no. I need you to kill the ghost. Think you'll stop a giant red bloodthirsty monster?
Is there a way to sprint for the monster? I've forgotten all my controls.
No, you're already faster than us.
Not when I appear, actually.
No, but you don't get tired and we do. And you don't rely on batteries, which I'm beginning to become afraid of losing. I need more juice for my torchlight. And keys! Fuck! Where are all the keys?
I haven't found a single key yet.
Why is this level so hard?
The meat father has connected. The meat father has joined the channel.
Welcome back, meat father.
Yeah, take I've prepared myself. I have voided my bladder. I have turned off my lights.
Maybe I should turn off my lights as well.
I have closed all of my tabs of weird porn.
Wait, doesn't that... those should enhance it, right?
I might have been what crashed me.
Yeah.
Holy shit, I found a key.
Oh my god, you're my savior. Let's go unlock some doors.
Oh. Oh, lights. Guys, I'm scared already.
Well, we found a key finally. So, I mean, progress. Yes! Doors unlocking. Doors closing. Oh my god, what? No, 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 no. Is she trying to open... what's happening here? Oh, she is! Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh my god, that is a meaty chest. You can go home.
New succubus or something?
No, it's just... so she knows we're in here. Maybe we should leave. Just a thought. You've got the magic key. Oh, what's happening? Please move. You have the key. Oh, please, faster! No, I'm bailing on you. I'm leaving. You can deal with this yourself. Yeah, you unlock those
The
doors.
Lurker. Which monster is that?
That's the big scary meat monster that places traps. And when you hear things go bzzz, then you've set off a trap and you should probably clench your balls and run away.
You've activated my trap card.
Exactly.
What the fuck is that? If you turn around too fast, your hand gets in front of your face, and you scare yourself.
I scared myself with my shadow once. Well, you're having something like a rave party over here, Fel.
I wanted to look at my hand.
How scary is my hand? What? Fuck you! Fuck you!
No!
Maybe I shouldn't be walking in here.
Why do noises happen?
Noises happen
Oh god,
because...
why?
Uh-oh. Are you okay?
I hear if you sit perfectly still, they can't smell you or move you.
No,
Oh yeah, they
that's not
can.
true.
Hello, friend. Fuck you. Get out. Get out. You are... no monsters allowed, please. What's the password?
Oh, I'm making noises now.
I want to be John Liver.
Hey, Fel.
And that's not the password. I said good day. I said good day! Oh, this Alzheimer hospital.
Hey Phil, do some hand puppets.
Do some what?
Hand puppets. I'm flashing you with a light, and you need to do some hand puppets. Oh fuck! Jesus, stop it! I don't even want to look at that
This is
anymore.
why you're out of fucking batteries.
Look, I did. Whoa, what? What's happening? No, why is it opening?
I said this is why you're out of fucking batteries.
No, not you. The door started opening. I've just been trying
I was trying to open it so you could leave.
to. You scared me. You alarmed me. Maybe you should get back in.
Mother of God.
Maybe we should leave. Get the fuck out of the way! Get the fuck out of the way! Move!
I'm glad you're recording Phil's final moments. When this man's heart
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my
We
god.
should have stayed in. We're
No,
so fucking dead. We
no.
should have stayed in.
Oh god, I'm safe. I'm safe again. You're screwed, but I'm safe. Oh, hi. This is a hard map.
The buzzing.
You're telling me.
Does that mean anything?
But yes, the buzzing means that you've set off a trap.
There's a noise like, you know, grenade. No, it's a high pitched whine like, you know, you just got bombs nearby.
That's a haunting. That usually happens when it blinds you, which means you have to deal with being blinded for a while.
Yes, but that hasn't happened.
I get the high pitch whine.
Yeah, I got high pitched
Just in
ones.
general.
I think it's also just on itself. It's meant to stop you from being able to hear the monster music in case something spawns out of nowhere and then it gives you a heart attack.
I feel like it could just be flavor, but it might mean something.
It's just a haunting.
Oh, you know, just no big deal.
Yeah, I mean, eventually you're going to get to the point where it's going to start stopping you from being able to move in a certain direction.
Anybody know if there's any locked doors there?
No!
What the fuck happened?
I am dismayed!
I take it things didn't go well. Where's your corpse so that I can avoid it for now?
It's in a hallway. I have a single rusty key. You're not missing much.
Nice.
Oh, you missed a battery there, by the way. I don't know if that's important to you.
This whole place is hallways. I need a key so I can feel important over fucking Fell over here who has the entire
You're not
place.
important.
I'm going to be
Decoy for
important
you.
when I touch your goddamn corpse.
Well, there it is.
It's right here.
Turn around. Yeah, come on back.
Check it out, fuck it out of my ass.
There it is. You see it? There's the critter.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You guys didn't see that.
That
That was clear as day to Phil.
Why did you follow me? Leave me alone. No, I'm too fat for you. You can't open this door. Oh, you're actually making some headway. No. Stop it. Go away. Maybe you should stop trying to get in my door. Oh, fuck. 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 Leave me alone.
Oh, there's the bunnies. I didn't
Oh
see the
fuck
bunnies.
no!
Oh, God. I'm gonna touch your corpse now.
Yeah, you can take my single iron key. Hey, look. Oh, more keys.
Fuck yeah, I'm important.
How do you close doors so fast? I'm impressed.
By being super pro at the spookiness.
Ah, fucking hell.
What? Did your hand scare you?
Suppose you-
Ah! No.
What do you keep scaring yourself with?
There's a fucking trap, the glass breaking, it scared the fuck out of me. And then I got the haunting where the face appears on your screen.
I've never gotten that haunting. I feel blessed.
Oh, it's so fucking awful. I'm spectating. It didn't show for me.
Spectating doesn't show
Yeah,
up.
you can't see the haunting.
Oh, I was doing the wrong one anyway.
Ooh. An owl noise.
Ooh,
I've never heard that before.
all the surprises of the fair.
Oh, it's too spooky.
Too spooky.
No, don't flail! Oh.
What the fuck? Leave me alone!
There's a key. There's a key. It's on the. Yeah, you see it?
Close the door!
Oh, Phil, grab that key.
Oh,
Silver key.
Thank you, Jesus. I just seem to remember where the exit is now.
Oh God. Good night, sweet prince.
Fuck. That was awful.
You're our only hope.
Why the fuck did you follow me and not him?
He closed the door. I couldn't get him.
Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Boom.
Ah.
Use.
Holy
You got me
shit.
so good.